On this Money Smart Basics video, we ask the question, why do 90% of successful entrepreneurs swear by online hacks? Because they work. Get ready to join the league. I'm about to spill the secret sauce to making money online this year. From zero to hero, our quick tips will turbocharge your earnings without even breaking a sweat. Stay tuned and start stacking that cash. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Section 1. Introduction. Your journey to online income starts now. Imagine a world where you could earn money from anywhere, anytime, without being chained to a desk. Whether you're a student looking for side income, a stay-at-home parent seeking financial independence, or someone wanting to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there's an online opportunity waiting for you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore proven methods to make money online quickly and effectively. No more vague promises or get-rich-quick schemes. We're focusing on real strategies for real people. Get ready to unlock the secrets of online income generation and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. It's time to turn your dreams of online success into reality. Let's dive in. Section 2. The allure of digital marketing. A goldmine for beginners. Digital marketing is the backbone of online business. It's the art of promoting products or services using digital channels, and it's a goldmine for beginners. You don't need a huge budget or years of experience to get started. One popular avenue is social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have billions of active users, making them ideal for reaching your target audience. By creating engaging content, running targeted ads, and building a loyal following, you can drive traffic to your website or online store, ultimately boosting sales and generating revenue. Another lucrative option is search engine optimization, SEO. By targeting relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks, you can attract organic traffic to your site, leading to increased visibility, leads, and sales. With dedication, creativity, and the right strategies, you can leverage digital marketing to build a successful online business and achieve your financial goals. Section 3. Affiliate marketing, your gateway to passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to achieve this, and it's surprisingly simple to get started. In a nutshell, you partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't have to handle inventory, customer service, or shipping. To succeed in affiliate marketing, focus on building trust with your audience. Recommend products you genuinely believe in and provide honest reviews. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, and create high-quality content that educates and engages your audience. With dedication, strategic promotion, and a focus on providing value, you can turn affiliate marketing into a lucrative source of passive income. Section 4. Content creation. Share your passion. Reap the rewards. Do you have a passion for writing, photography, filmmaking, or podcasting? If so, content creation could be your ticket to online income. In today's digital landscape, high-quality content is king, and businesses are constantly seeking talented individuals to create engaging content for their audiences. Blogging is a popular option for aspiring content creators. By sharing your expertise, insights, and stories, you can attract a loyal readership and monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Video content is another booming market. Platforms like YouTube and Vimeo offer incredible opportunities to reach a global audience. The key to success in content creation is consistency and quality. With dedication, creativity, and a genuine passion for your craft, you can turn your content creation skills into a profitable online venture. Freelancing offers a flexible and empowering way to earn money online. If you possess valuable skills in writing, editing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or virtual assistance, freelancing allows you to be your own boss, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. The first step to launching your freelance career is to identify your niche and target market. Create a compelling portfolio that showcases your best work and highlights your skills and experience. Online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with freelance talent. Create a professional profile, browse job postings, and submit compelling proposals that highlight your unique skills and value proposition. Networking is also crucial. Deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and provide excellent customer service to build a strong reputation and attract repeat clients. With persistence, professionalism, and a commitment to exceeding client expectations, you can create a thriving freelance business and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. E-commerce is booming, and for good reason. With the convenience of online shopping, more and more consumers are turning to the internet for their shopping needs. This presents a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs to launch their own online stores and tap into the ever-growing e-commerce market. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage clothing, or digital products, you can reach a global audience without the overhead costs of a physical store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it easier than ever to set up an online store, list your products, and start selling. To succeed in e-commerce, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research. Identify a profitable niche, analyze your target audience, and research your competitors. Marketing is key to driving traffic to your online store. Provide excellent customer service, offer secure payment options, and ensure timely shipping to build customer loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have valuable knowledge and skills to share? If so, creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services could be a lucrative way to monetize your expertise. Online learning is on the rise, as more and more individuals seek convenient and affordable ways to acquire new skills or enhance their knowledge. The first step is to identify your target audience and niche. Create a course curriculum or coaching program that provides valuable content, practical tips, and actionable strategies. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it easy to create and sell online courses. If you prefer a more personalized approach, offer one-on-one coaching sessions via video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype. Marketing your online course or coaching services is essential for attracting clients. Offer free webinars, workshops, or consultations to provide value up front and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Just like any other profession, having the right tools can make your online money-making journey smoother and more efficient. Here are some essential tools to add to your arsenal. Grammarly, ensure your writing is clear, concise, and error-free with this powerful grammar and spelling checker. Canva creates stunning graphics, social media posts, and marketing materials with this user-friendly design tool. Google Analytics, track website traffic, user behavior, and other essential metrics to optimize your online presence and marketing campaigns. MailChimp, build an email list and create professional email campaigns to nurture leads, promote products, and engage with your audience. As you explore different avenues, don't hesitate to experiment with various tools and find what works best for you and your business. Navigating the world of online income generation can be exciting, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. Here are some tips and tricks to help you succeed in the digital hustle. Stay focused and organized. With so many opportunities available, it's easy to get sidetracked. Define your goals, create a plan, and stay organized to maximize your productivity and stay on track. Embrace continuous learning. The online world is constantly evolving. Network and collaborate. Connect with other online entrepreneurs, join relevant communities, and seek out collaborations to expand your reach. Learn from others and grow your business. Provide value and build trust. Whether you're creating content, offering services, or selling products, focus on providing value to your audience and building trust with your customers. Be patient and persistent. Success in the online world rarely happens overnight. Stay focused, stay dedicated, and never stop learning and growing. Embarking on a journey to make money online is an exciting adventure, filled with endless possibilities and the potential for financial freedom. However, it's essential to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and most importantly, persistence. There will be challenges along the way. But it's crucial to view these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace the ups and downs, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who understand the challenges and rewards of online entrepreneurship. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking your online income potential. By exploring the diverse avenues of digital marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, and other online opportunities, you've gained valuable insights into the exciting world of online entrepreneurship. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action. Choose a path that resonates with your skills, passions, and goals, and dive in head first. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and adapt your strategies along the way. The online world is constantly evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and watch as you create a fulfilling and financially rewarding online career. Your online income adventure awaits. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Ever wondered how top entrepreneurs make money online? Forget the old tricks, here's the one tip that really works. Leverage automation tools to streamline your business processes. From email marketing to customer service, automation not only saves you time but also boosts your efficiency, letting you focus on growing your empire.
Please don't forget, like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics video. Disclaimer, the content provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented is intended to be general in nature and should not be construed as professional financial advice.